So I'm very excited to dig into this. I'm anxious. I feel like a little kid on Christmas.
Gympak is all about making wellness simple and accessible for travelers. So wherever you travel, wellness anywhere at any time is the slogan.
These shorts look like they're going to be really short.
Yeah,
European size.
Not...
You know how Europeans have the small speedos?
I have long femurs too, which doesn't help.
So what we did with the shoes is that they have these rubber underneath for great grip, and then it's a removable inner sole.
Oh.
It's cushioned, and it's what you see. It's perforated, so it's for water. So if you use this,
so you can do it both ways, indoors and in the water. I don't know why hotels that have a pool and a jacuzzi don't necessarily include those in the room automatically, because they should.
Yeah, so many hotels, they actually have this problem because people that bring their workout clothes, they bring maybe their running shoes or outdoor shoes, and then they take them inside the gym. And it destroys the machines, it gets sand everywhere, stones, pebbles, stuff like that. Yeah,
Not only do you have a good gym, but they also think about you, the person that cares about working out at that place.
Yeah.
The hotel is removing the excuse for, oh, I forgot my stuff. Darn.
If you would buy one of these t-shirts in a store in Sweden, you would pay like for $40 to $50 something at least.
Yeah.
Because it needs to be washed by the hotel like 50 to 100 times and really look great.
If my bag doesn't show up, they can go, okay, here's your toothbrush, here's your razor, here's your deodorant, and here's your gym clothes.
And it's made from 100% recycled polyester, but it's, when you wash this, it becomes really fresh again, really fresh. And you can wash everything, including the shoes, just together.
So light. That's the thing about this that I really like. It's so light, and that matters, especially if you're traveling super light anyway, because you don't want to overpack.
Yeah, no, this is for the fitness focused traveler. This is a real issue, and this is a genuine solve.